Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Nissan X-Trail ST, stock reference number 5807. The shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have some scratches. Left front door has no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have a factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror has some scratches. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.